I have a question. Are classic cars a good investment? Well, as someone who's tracked values of classic cars for 40 years, I think they're a great investment, and not just in financial terms. I think they're one of the best investments you can make in fun and in relationship development with family and friends and people that you haven't even met. These are one of the best icebreakers of all time. But back to the financial terms, are classic cars a good investment? Well, the easy answer is they certainly can be, but the more responsible answer probably could fill a book. But that's not the scope of this video. The scope of this video is to look at what we can see in front of us. And I have a beautiful 1966 GT Candy Apple Red convertible. It's exactly like the one on the cover of this magazine. This is a June Road and Track 1988 magazine, and it asks the question about affordable classic cars: can you triple your money in 10 years? Believe it or not, I can answer that question. Come with me, let's look in the archives, and let's see if you could have tripled your money in 10 years. So I happen to have in my archives a June 1988 Old Cars Price Guide. Same month, same year as my Road and Track magazine that I hung in my office 31 years ago. Let's open it up and let's see what my Mustang was worth in 1988 according to this price guide. Okay, so a GT convertible with my options in 1988 was worth $12,000. Now, did it increase or did it triple in 10 years like this magazine asked? Well, I happen to have also in the archives a June 1998 Old Cars Price Guide, exactly 10 years later. And according to this price guide, my GT Mustang 10 years later was worth $33,000. So effectively it did triple. It came true. Now I also have a Hagerty price guide right here, today's date, and according to this price guide, my Mustang GT convertible is worth $73,000. That's a 500% increase since 1988. That's phenomenal. I mean, and better than that, you can drive your investment and have fun with it. So now my question is, how much fun have you had in the last 30 years with your IRA? That's what I thought. Classic cars are a fantastic investment. You can drive them and enjoy them. A drive in a classic car is good for the soul. Let's go drive my 1966 Mustang GT convertible. Before we go on the test drive, let's start it up and listen to the exhaust note. $289, A code, dual exhaust, GT. Very cool. Let's go on that test drive. Well, here we go on our test drive. You know, when you're driving this car, you need to forget for a moment that you're driving rolling art. You need to forget for just a moment that you're driving the most recognized collector car in the entire world. And you need to put out of your mind just for a moment that you're driving an investment and just be in the moment. This car delivers such a satisfying experience behind the wheel. I put the red line radials on this car, and that combined with the entire suspension being brand new, give you a pretty good little handling experience. And throw it into these little S-turns back here, and she just grabs and goes. Again, pretty impressive for over 50 years old. A lot of fun. You know, this car delights you from the outside, it delights you from the inside. There's just no shortage of things to look at. It's a full complement of gauges in here, including the really cool rally pack and the full flowing console, the gorgeous deluxe steering wheel. Just everything about this car it just excites the senses. And then there's the driving experience. There's no disappointment there. Okay, here we go. really good. It's the 289. It handles and steers nicely too. You have to put yourself back in time and realize that in 1966, this was cutting edge stuff. What a car. Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it's a great investment, but oh my gosh, what a fun car to drive. It's no secret. Just look around in the collector car world and just see how many people own these cars. It's for a good reason. They're fun to own. Woo! Nice. Well, that's it for the test drive. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers and we're well on our way. Go to the website also, myrod.com. I think you'll enjoy our other videos and a lot of the photos we have of super cool classic cars. And come back often. Adios.